What if everything you've been taught about human history is fundamentally wrong? Mainstream science tells us civilization began around 6,000 years ago, but evidence hidden in the soil and even under the Sphinx suggests that an advanced, forgotten human civilization was suddenly wiped off the map. This happened 12,000 years ago in a global cataclysm known as the Younger Dryas. The mystery isn't what happened, but why no one wants you to know the devastating truth. For centuries, historians believed a slow, natural ice melt ended the last ice age, but forensic evidence, microscopic diamonds, magnetic spherules, and nanotechnology points to something far more sinister, a massive cosmic impact, a comet fragment or asteroid that struck the Earth around 12,800 years ago. The resulting airburst was so powerful it instantly vaporized forests, triggered widespread global firestorms, and plunged the planet back into a sudden deep freeze. It was literally a day when civilization died. The cover-up deepens when we examine the ancient ruins. Why does Göbekli Tepe in Turkey, a monumental complex, date back exactly to this period, built by people supposedly too primitive to carve stone? And why does the erosion on the Great Sphinx point to massive rainfall before the traditional Egyptian timeline? The evidence suggests that before the comet hit, a highly capable, globally connected society existed, a civilization with skills we are only now recovering. These ancient sites are not the beginning of civilization. They are the monuments left behind by its sudden, devastating end. Why does academia resist this idea so fiercely? Because accepting the Younger Dryas impact hypothesis forces us to throw out the established timeline of human history. It means human innovation is cyclical, not linear. It means the world we know is built on the ruins of a greater, forgotten past. The reluctance to teach this truth is rooted in a desire to maintain the official narrative, a narrative that gives us a comfortable, but ultimately false, sense of security. The secrets of the past are buried beneath layers of ice, mud, and deliberate omission. Are you ready to admit that history is not a static story, but a mystery waiting to be solved? The knowledge of what happened 12,000 years ago might be the key to surviving the next global event. Hit the notification bell and subscribe to Mr.Hussain for more deep dives into the truths your textbooks failed to mention.